Welcome to the Ingles table. I'm Sarah Elizabeth, here to share what are quite possibly the best brownies ever made. These cream cheese brownies are my husband's absolute favorite. I've already been to Ingles and handpicked all the ingredients. Now it's time to fire up the oven and make this house smell amazing. I think just about everybody I know loves brownies, so we're going to go ahead and get started with our recipe here. We're going to put in some sugar, cream cheese, and then I've got 2 sticks of butter here, which I've gone ahead and cut into pats because it will make this step of mixing it together, creaming our butter, cream cheese, and sugar a little bit quicker. So we'll go ahead and start our mixer. My college roommate Joss brought these from home one time back to the dorm room, and it was definitely the best brownie I had ever tasted. So I wanted to share this recipe with you today. Thanks so much, Joss. So okay, we're gonna throw in our butter, and we're just gonna mix this for a minute or two until it's all incorporated and a little bit lighter and fluffier. All right, to this we're going to add 2 eggs. This is a great dessert to serve just as it is, right hot out of the oven, or you can serve it a la mode with your favorite flavor of ice cream. Really no way to go wrong here. So to the eggs, I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. And then while that is mixing in, I've got my dry ingredients here. I've got some cocoa powder. We'll add some salt, baking powder, and a cup of flour here. We'll just mix those together a little bit better here. And then the key on this next step is just to add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients gradually. That looks good. I'll grab a spoon. Here we go. I used a special dark cocoa powder because I am a huge fan of dark chocolate. But like I said, just add a little bit at a time so you don't get a big dust cloud in your kitchen. Okay, that looks good. We're going to get this into a grease pan and pop it into a 350-degree oven for about 35 minutes. We'll be back with the finished product. So our delicious brownies have finished baking in a 350-degree oven for 35 minutes. I've let them cool here for about 15, so now we're ready to serve it up. I've chosen some Vanilla Bean Ingles Best ice cream today. Oh, it doesn't get any better than this. And that's it. Remember to explore the rest of the Ingles table for more great tips, tricks, and recipes. I know I will. See you next time.